Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. An aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1 hour, it must travel at a speed of question mark. We have distance, the sum x, because it's a certain distance, and speed is 240 km per hour and time is 5 hours. We know the values. Distance equals x, speed is 240 km per hour and time equals 5 hours. So the formula we know is speed equals distance by time. We need to find the value of distance in this problem. So distance equals speed into time. So substitute the values in this formula. Therefore, x, which is distance, equals speed is 240 km per hour into 5. Time is hours. Since this is given in kilometer per hour, we are just taking as it is. So therefore from this we know that distance equals 500, 5420, 52 times is 10 and just 12. So the distance we got here is kilometer per hour. Now to cover the same distance in 1 hour, it must travel at a speed is x. Here speed is x and the distance is same and time is 1 hour. So the second set of data is distance is same. So which is 1200 km per hour. And then time they have given us 1 hour. So time is 1 hour and we have to find the value of speed. So we know the speed is question mark here. So speed is equals distance by time. From the formula we know that speed equals distance by time. So substitute in the formula. Speed equals distance is 1200 divided by time is 1. So therefore speed is 1200 km per hour. Now there is another problem which is of same type. An aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 2 by 3 hours, it must travel at a speed is again here question mark. So the values we know here is certain distance, so which is x at first, and then speed of 240 km per hour and time is 5 hours. Distance is question mark, speed is 240 km per hour and time is 5 hours. So the formula we know is speed equals distance by time. From this, distance equals speed into time. Now substitute the values to find the distance. So distance equals speed 240 into time is 5, which is equals 50, 5 times is 20, 2, 5, 2 times is 10, 11, 12, 1200 km per hour. So this is the value of distance we have found here. Now the second set of data is to cover the same distance, which means distance is 1200 km, but time is 2 by 3 hours. We have to find the value of speed. Speed is question mark. We know the formula of speed here, speed equal to distance by time. So substituting the values here. So speed equals question mark. We know distance, which is 1200 km per hour and time is 2 by 3 hours. This can be converted as 3 1 plus. So 3 1 times is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 3 hours. So now substitute all these values in the formula, which is speed equals distance value is 1200 divided by time is 5 by 3. So in this case it happens 1200 into 3 by 5. This 3 goes to up here. So 3 by 5. So which is 5 2 times is 10. 240 into 3, which is equals 300. 3 4 times is 12. 3 2 times 6. 6 plus 1 7. Which is 720 kmph. So to cover the same distance in 1 2 by 3 hours, it must travel a speed of 720 km per hour. Thanks for watching.